As part of its quest to be the leading exchange in Southeast Asia, the Stock Exchange of Thailand is working with major gold dealers across Thailand to create the country's first physical gold exchange. The launch of the physical gold exchange is still a few months away, so I decided to talk to an expert at one of Bangkok's universities to learn more about the creation of the physical gold exchange and what it means for investors in Thailand. Could you tell us what is the difference between the spot gold exchange and buying gold at the gold stores?
Spot gold exchange means that you have to buy the gold based on the world market.
Okay.
This is somehow like a share. It's a very big difference because it's based on the parity is 99.99% gold.
Okay.
This is recognized by the London Association of Gold. Yes. But if you buy the gold, this is especially in Thailand, yes, considered as parity at 96.5 parity. That's it. Right. This is the difference. Yes.
Okay, and then what's the difference between the gold exchange, the spot gold exchange, and the gold futures exchange?
Yes, it's different. The gold futures is only being done in Thailand only, and as far as we have no law to control such kind of thing yet. So no law is mean everybody can do that business. Yes, there's some business can be done there. If you like to join with the gold spot, it means that you have to join with the gold spot based on the world market price, which change every minute or whatever. Yes, it's 5 days, 24 hours run. So, but it's gold futures has been done only in Thai market.
Okay.
So it's tricky. It's maybe different. If you like to pay, this is somehow like you join with the stock market, but you have to concern what the difference of the gold future and gold spot effect, which is effect that the price going up or down is different. You have to understand about the world situation. For some country dumping the gold, for example, like UK for the past 10 years, the dumping the gold, it meant that the gold price, the supply in the market quite high, the demand still the same, so the price dropped down. For example, if some thing happened in the world, the war happened, for example, in some area, this is effect to the gold. People aware of such kind of thing, they like to buy the gold for security. The more demand is mean that the price is going up high. So if you buy at the lowest price and you sell at the high price, you can benefit. And it's bad luck for you if you buy at the high price, suddenly tomorrow morning the price is dropped down, you lost.
Okay, so the futures exchange is based on the Thai market, and the spot exchange is based on the international market.
National market.
Okay, interesting. And then can individuals buy gold through the spot gold exchange?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah, easy, very easy now.
Okay, and are people trading documents or contracts, or are they actual?
Yes,
they're not trading physical gold.
No, not the real gold.
Okay.
Not physical at all.
Okay, interesting.
But anyway, in Thailand, as you know, we have no law for that. But some countries you can get it. But the difference of the gold spot and gold future, they have a limitation for 2 months, 4 months, and 6 months, for example. You have to balance, so pay and get in account for them. But for gold spot, there are no time limit. You can join whatever you like to do until whatever you like to get money back.
And in your opinion, do you think the spot gold exchange can put gold stores out of business in Thailand?
I think for Thailand it's not that much because Thailand, the marketing is not as big as China or India that we spend a lot, because roughly we import about 20 something or 16 something ton per year, and compare with about for the demand of the gold in world gold, roughly about 3,000 300 to 3,900 some years. This is fluctuation. This is not effect for that much, because most people still, because if you like to like an investor in capital, in security, you have to have some basic knowledge for security, share, like gold as well. So this is another group of people we join, but this group of people, like uneducated people, for example, they don't know much about the share or gold future. They still buy the gold from shop. So this is big differently. It's different from the stock market. So that only the group of the people who learn for that, they will join. But in Thailand, for example, many people, uneducated people, the people who sell something in the market, they get some thousand baht, they buy the gold just for their own security. They don't know about the future. No. So it is, it's not the effect. It's not so much effect. The people still keep on buying baht or gold bar or whatever or gold jewelry for their own security.
What is the benefit of buying gold through the spot exchange versus buying gold at a gold dealer then?
And the benefit that you pay only 10%, roughly. 10%. If you buy the real gold, solid gold, you have to pay 100%. And you keep the gold at home. By the way, it is the same situation before. The gold price is dropped out to 18,000 baht per 1 baht for 15.2 gram, for example. A huge lot of people is going to buy the gold, but the shop have not enough the physical gold for them. They give you only certificate. Hoy. See? What a difference. You get a gold bar, you have got a certificate, all the same things. Keep at home. One day you will, become after we import and so on.
Well, and I know I read that's one of the reasons why the physical gold exchange hasn't been set up yet, because the Bank of Thailand appears to be hesitant to allow the trading in the US dollar.
Absolutely. Because of some law you have to change, because mainly they have to pay in dollars. Dealing with in dollars, but in Thailand we're not allowed to do such kind of things. So this is a big thing for Thai people. We feel, the government and the finance ministry and the central bank of Thailand, there's strict regulation that every trading in Thailand should be in baht, Thai baht. If you like to say some action for example for gold, because it's fluctuation of the money, evaluation fee and so on, Thai to baht to dollar is cost something, but it's very sensitive with gold, not any other commodity. Because gold is profit and loss is very small. So if you lost for some exchange, it affect something. And this is very sensitive. Sensitive because of if you let some other authority to use Thai baht instead of dollar instead of Thai baht. In that case, government may losses. I am not a member of United States. It is not colonized. For nationality, nationalism is a bit for some people who not understand about the economics and about the gold future and about how to trade such kind of things internationally. Now, everything changed. But if you let any currency to be used in such country, we are not different from any other country. You can use dollar or whatever. They feel like what is your jurisdiction for Thai baht? Somehow like that. Very sensitive issue.
The Bangkok Post stated that the launch of the physical gold exchange in Thailand is still several months away at least. Can you explain what else needs to be done to set it up?
I have to change the law.
Change the law.
Change the law is very difficult in Thailand, especially now the situation is normal and not normal. But anyway, under the coup d'etat situation, if the policy can push to that government, people have to explain to them clearly what the situation that I've told you is a little bit sensitive. That is for especially to the point is not difficult because the money we have, the people who want to share, 1 billion is easy to set up. Exchange future, and the point is the law, and the law to change the law that's difficult.
And that's the law under the Ministry of Finance?
Yes, under the Ministry of Finance.
Okay, just about the trading in U.S. dollars.
Right.
Okay.
It is a point. If you trade in Thai baht, definitely tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, they approve you very easy.
Okay. And then one article I read said that the Gold Traders Association expected gold trading to decline without a local spot gold market. Could you explain why they think that gold trading would decline without the physical gold market?
That the group of the people who would like to join the gold spot and gold futures, must be another group of people who have educated enough about how to play, how to join stock market. But the group of the people who buy the gold is different from any other stock market. The people who jump into stock market and have more money for blah 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 blah, have time to check but up and down every 10 minutes, 20 minutes. You have to see the graph again. But for the people, to buy the physical gold, still the normal people, they say that 70% and 60% of the gold in the world gold consumption. This is the local people. This is not the trader. So this is, more or less main people still, especially for the people. Between you keep money in bank and keep the gold, maybe the gold is more stable. The valuation of money may happen at any time, at least 3 or 4%.
How does setting up a spot gold exchange help maintain the gold trading value in Thailand?
I think this is for Thai especially. We deal in Thai baht, and the Thai baht, the purity is 96, is different from 99.99. So this is different, right? Deal.
There's fluctuation.
Yes, fluctuation. This is only Thai situation happen only. But anyway, this is affect many around the world. But for Thai, this is 24 hours. Maybe just morning, evening, and they change 4 times a day. Go like this morning, they change again, up and again, down again. That's it. You never care about the outside environment. Even you have people who have not any information about the world. They don't interestingly have no knowledge about the world. What situation happen out of country, they can join for future instead of ghost. Spot.
Okay.
This is normal people can join for such kind of thing and easily. For example, the situation just happened. Like me, I have never seen this down for 17,000 for 1 baht for 15.2 grams. I buy. It's just price. It's good price. I'm going to buy it. But now just 2-3 weeks already, it's up to 19,000 already. It's nearly 20,000 already. See, get benefit. That much. Not necessary to carry or to go to the shop and back and you'll see. We just do ourselves through the broker or the port ourselves at home, I said.
And then when Thailand does eventually launch the physical gold exchange, what's your biggest advice to people about using the market?
Yeah, sure. This is another opportunity and another alternative, especially for the people who love investment, especially the people who keep the money in the bank, who get 1 or 2%. This is more or less, that. One professor told me when I was studying PhD, he said that, Panumas, if the young people would like to GIQ, get rich quick, you have to try that. They say, this is the only way for the young generation to get rich quick, to join such kind of things. Otherwise, it's really very difficult. Day-to-day working, you just get sorry, man, never get rich quick. Just skip something, keep something to play the share, study a bit, and enjoy them.
Okay.
Because the price is up to situation. If you keep the money, maybe some days lost, whatever. But you keep in a share also. The price is up to the situation of the world situation. You never lost it.
Okay, thank you for sharing your insights on the gold market.
Thank you very much.
This is Jess with ThaiLawForum.